In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to Forex data. When you first download and install NinjaTrader, you'll get either Forex or futures data for free, but there will most likely be a trial period, which means that after some time, the data will expire, and afterwards NinjaTrader will sort of force you to fund their account with them or to purchase the data. You don't need to do that. As I said in the previous video, you can have the data for free. And right now I'm going to show you how. So let's start with Forex data. The data provider, in this case, will be the FXCM, which closely cooperates with NinjaTrader. So to get the free and unlimited Forex data, you need to go to this site. Here is the address. And you need to sign up for free data. So you will need to fill in your first name, last name. You don't really need to use your own first or last name. You can fill whatever suits you. So it can just be some random letters actually. Then right there, you select some country. I don't think it really matters which one. I always selected the United Kingdom and it worked nicely for me. Afterwards, you enter email address and some random mobile phone number. It doesn't need to be your phone number. But as far as the email address is concerned, you need to fill in a working email address. It can't be a random email. So once you've filled all this, you press this Trade Now button. And on the next screen, you'll get your login, which will be the username and the password. After that, you'll go back to the NinjaTrader console and you go into Connections and Configure. And right there, you can see the FXCM connection in the Configured section. If it's not in the Configured section, then you simply add it by selecting it from this Available section, alright? So you'll find it in here. And you double click it, and that's it. So that's how you add it, all right? So when you have it in the configured section, you just change the username that's already there to the new one. And you also type in the new password. And if you want to connect automatically on startup, then you want to check this option right there. I prefer it this way, so I have it checked. And this is basically all you need to do. You just click apply and then you are all set to go. The next time you start NinjaTrader, you'll get automatically connected to the FXCM data. Right now, you can see that I'm not connected to any data feed. There are no connections. And if I want to connect manually to the FXCM, I just go to connections and I click the FXCM. You can see that it's connecting and it will be connected in a few seconds. All right, so now we are connected. So this is how you get high quality and unlimited Forex data for NinjaTrader. If for some reason the connection stops working, the data stops working, then you need to repeat the process to renew the data. So you just go back to this site. Again, you fill in your information. Maybe you will need to use a different email. And again, you press the Trade Now button and you will get new username, you will get new password, which you will use to replace the existing one from the username and password columns. All right, so this is how you renew. If for some reason you got disconnected from the data, if for some reason your connection expires. It doesn't happen to me. Some people say that it expires for them sometimes. I don't have experience with that, but this is how you renew if it expires. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video where I show you how to connect to futures data.